Wondering how to make money online? Try these ideas today. Many people today are looking for different ways to supplement their income to help them earn a living, and one of those ways is through making money online. If this has been something that is drawing you to take a closer look at, then the following video is just for you. Keep watching for solid tips on how you can go about making money online. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay-per-post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Look into domain flipping. Lots of folks generate income by using domain names. It's kind of like real estate online and is something you should invest your time in. Try using Google AdSense to locate trending keywords. Buy domains that are acronyms. Look for domain names that have the potential to earn money for you. Try to keep your sources of income diverse. Sometimes great sites and plans do not work out. Something you may make money with now might not be there tomorrow. The best thing to do would be to have a few different income streams. That way, when one stream slows down, the others may be picking up, so you have a few options. If you have a blog or website ready to go, think about selling advertising space on it. You will earn money each time one of your visitors stops what they are doing and clicks on the ad. The best way to be successful and earn money with pay-per-click advertising is to have a good website that offers valuable information. This will increase your traffic flow as well as the number of clicks you are getting. Google AdSense is one program that can get you started. As you can see from the above video, anyone can make money in the online world when they have a good idea and solid tips to follow. If you have been reluctant in the past to use the internet as a way to make money, you shouldn't have to worry any longer now that you watched this video. Keep studying this topic, and soon you will see how it is possible to make money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.